India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Singapore on Wednesday to a rousing welcome as he was greeted by the members of the Indian community. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with the Prime Minister of Singapore, Lawrence Wong. During his visit, both leaders will review the progress of India-Singapore strategic partnership and exchange views on regional and global issues of mutual interest. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will call on Singapore President Tharman Shanmugaratnam and interact with the Singaporean leadership. He will also meet with business leaders from Singapore. Prime Minister Modi is on a two-day visit to the South Asian island country. The visit aims to deepen cooperation between the two countries in new and emerging areas of advanced manufacturing, digitalization and sustainable development. DD India's Akshay Dongre spoke to the dancers and performers who had the opportunity to perform before the Prime Minister, as well as the Indian diaspora warmly welcomed Prime Minister. By and large, everyone was happy at the prospect of interacting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
There were a lot of cultural performances that were put on display. How you guys performed as far as the upon the arrival of Prime Minister? How was the experience?
It's very exciting, very a unique experience for sure. We are very honored to represent Indian dance in Singapore. Right. We are dancing Odissi.
Ma'am, you were here part of the reception. How was it, the experience?
Well, the experience was out of this world. It was definitely a one-time opportunity for all of us to have been performed in front of Narendra Modi ji. And what more, a cherry on the cake is that he himself came forward and asked for this, what is called as Tipru, and asked for it. He first did wish us Happy Ganesh Chaturthi that is going to come in 2 days. Right. So we are super more excited for it. And again, I mean, words are not enough to express how happy we are.
These people are a part of the Indian diaspora. Many of them have also performed in Indian, different kind of Indian arts. So how was it, ma'am? How was the experience seeing the Prime
Wonderful,
Minister?
wonderful. It was a lifetime, like you can say it is a lifetime achievement I got. Seeing Modi ji live, for me it was the first time.
What about you?
Ishan.
Ishan, so how was the experience like seeing Prime Minister so up close?
It was actually really like inspiring because you could see he has such a big aura.
Yeah.
And yeah, I was very excited.
And sir, what about you?
Yeah, I'm born in India. Now Singapore is home. So Modi ji is a living legend. He's an inspiration for all. And we came with all the family just to get a glimpse of him, to get his presence.
Right. So this is Prime Minister's 5th visit to Singapore. Right. Do you think that the push that he has given in his foreign policy has brought the two countries closer?
Yeah, and I think there is a lot of scope. There's a lot of scope because we have a very enthusiastic and very motivated Indian diaspora here, and there's a lot of scope.
And there is a lot of enthusiasm that you can sense in the air here. So Prime Minister has arrived and there is a lot on cards to bring the two countries closer even more. With camera person Vinay Kumar Tiwari, Akshay Dongre, DD India.
Earlier, in a historic visit to Brunei Darussalam, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a meeting with Sultan Haji Hassan Al Bolkiah on Wednesday and discussed ways to further cement bilateral ties during the wide-ranging talks. Sultan Haji Hassan Al Bolkiah and his close family members warmly welcomed Prime Minister Modi at the Istana Nurul Iman. The Istana Nurul Iman is the official residence of the Sultan of Brunei. The leaders held delegation-level talks thereafter, where two leaders welcomed the elevation of bilateral ties to enhanced partnership. Prime Minister of India invited Brunei Sultan to pay a visit to India. The historic visit of the Prime Minister will further boost action on India's Act East policy and its vision for the Indo-Pacific.
भारत की एक्ट ईस्ट पॉलिसी और इंडो पैसिफिक विजन में ब्रुनेई का महत्वपूर्ण साझेदार होना ये हमारे लिए उज्जवल भविष्य की गारंटी है। हम एक दूसरे की भावनाओं का सम्मान करते हैं। मुझे विश्वास है कि मेरी इस यात्रा से और हमारी चर्चाओं से आने वाले समय के लिए हमारे संबंधों को स्ट्रेटेजिक दिशा मिलेगी।
India and Brunei also signed an exchange memorandum of understandings on cooperation in the operation of telemetry, tracking and telecommand station for satellite and launch vehicles. A joint statement was adopted after the talks.
So they discussed emerging areas of bilateral cooperation such as fintech, the digital technology, digital payment systems, as well as renewable energy. Space has traditionally been an important area of bilateral cooperation. India's telemetry tracking and command station is located in Brunei, and both sides signed an MOU to take this relationship further forward.
After bilateral talks on a wide range of issues were held, Sultan of Brunei hosted an official lunch in honor of the Prime Minister, served with the tune of Vaishnava Janato Tene Kahiye and Bumro Bumro. Motichur laddus and saffron pedas were on the royal menu in honor of the Prime Minister at the Royal Palace, his son Anurul Iman at the official luncheon. Prime Minister Modi thanked entire royal family for the warm welcome and hospitality and lauded the deep historical and cultural ties between both the countries.
संबंधों की 40वीं सालगिरह मना रहे हैं। इस अवसर पर हमने निर्णय लिया है कि अपने संबंधों को एनहांस पार्टनरशिप का दर्जा देंगे। हमारी साझेदारी को स्ट्रैटेजिक दिशा देने के लिए हमने सभी पहलुओं पर व्यापक चर्चा की। हम आर्थिक, वैज्ञानिक और रणनीतिक क्षेत्रों में अपने सहयोग को मजबूत करने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है।